Fatima had $5 after buying a few books at $8 each. She had $3 left. How many books did she buy? Give your answer in terms of n. Okay, so we have to visualize this again. So Fatima had $5 After she bought a few books, we have no idea how many, at $8 each. She had $3 left. So the model will be this. Okay, so this, she bought don't know how many books at $8 each. Okay, and then she had $3 left. And in total, she had $5. So what we'll do, you take the entire thing minus this $3 and divide by $8. Okay, so this is actually how the question goes. So remember, always put a question mark to remind your kids, to remind yourself what are you trying to find. Okay, so the first step, take 5n minus 3. So this is the first working, 5n minus 3. 5n minus 3 will be this, and then you have to take this divided by 8. So the next step will be 5n minus 3 divided by 8. This is actually the answer. Okay, 5n minus 3 is this, and this divided by 8, you'll be 5n minus 3 divided by 8. This is actually the answer. So this books. Simple. So always draw the model. Try to visualize the entire thing, especially for algebra. Okay, and then for parents who are actually watching this, tell your kids sometimes for an algebra question, there's not a lot of working involved. This is actually considered the first working, where you take 5n minus 3. It's normal, but some of them are not used to it. Some of the kids, they are not used to it. Some of the kids think that, you know, a normal working should have 5n minus 3 equals to 1. But honestly speaking, 5n minus 3 is already the final answer, because their teachers in school should have reminded them that variable and whole number, they cannot interact. So this is actually the final answer for the first working. Second working, you take this divided by 8. Okay, and this will actually be your final answer. So there is no way to simplify this any further. This is actually your final answer. Okay, if I want to make it even more, what I call that, if I want to add in an additional step, right, your step 2 could actually be 5n minus 3 divided by 8, like this. Okay, but this cannot be your final answer because it shouldn't be presented like this. So it will be 5n minus 3 over 8. You need to teach your kid that division is the same as a fraction. This sign is actually the same as this. Okay, so remember to write down an answer here. Ta-da, done.